Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. I have a haul for you today, and it's a collective haul. I know there's stuff from HSN and Buttons Galore, Frank Garcia's studio. There might be Joann's or Michael's, I'm not really sure, but it's gonna be a surprise. I've been putting it to the side until it's, you know, a decent size to do a haul. And let's see. Okay, so first we have Frank Garcia's studio. I haven't even opened it yet. This is my back order because I had ordered a few things that didn't come in with that order when I did the 31 collection. There were some things in the Golden Desert collection I ordered that they didn't have in stock, so they had to order it for me. And so here's what I got. I got the wood embellishments. Those are so pretty. And then I got two of the wood embellishments, and then I got these metal embellishments. Look how gorgeous those are. Those are so pretty. Yay, so I'm glad those came in. So beautiful. Oh, I love the moon phases right there. Okay, so those came in, so yay to that. Thank you for your patience, Wendy. And it has a smiley face and it says Ren. You are so welcome, Ren, because you know what? It's just charms, girl. It's just charms and paper. It's not that serious. Okay, let's see. The next I ordered from HSN. One of these things I blame on Jen from Strawberries and Cream 39, because when I saw this on her video, I was like, oh, I need that in my life. So, I wish I had cut him out like she did. She's such a better person than I am. But, well, there's some samples on here so you'll be able to see. So I saw these on her video. This was a few weeks ago. I've been, the minute I saw this on her video, I immediately ordered it. So I've been holding on to this stuff for a while, like I said, to just, you know, accumulate a fair amount. So what are these called? These are called garlands. And what they do, they're cut and emboss folders. So they cut and they emboss. So you can see they make the most beautiful garlands. So here's some samples of what you can make with them. Like this one, it looks like they took a couple of them and made a wreath with it. They can look like drapes. I mean, they're just really versatile. And it's just so neat because you can see that inside. So there's two of them. And look at how it has the pretty bells. And inside, there's a die, but then it also embosses at the same time. So it's so cool. So I got that. Thanks, Jen. So there's that. It's from Anna Griffin on HSN. And then I also ordered another one while I was on there. And this is also a cut and emboss. And what are these ones called? These are for the holidays, and I just thought they were so pretty. Let me see if I can get this out. Does this one have a name? This is called Impression Die Holiday Sentiments. So here is what they look like. Super pretty, and I'll show you what they look like. So there's those. And then, oops, sorry about that. And then I have a swap coming up. I don't know when this video is going to go live, so the swap might already have happened by the time this video plays. But what we had to do, one of the things we have to do is we are sharing a summer-themed tea towel. And so I saw this cute set on HSN, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get it. It's so cute. So it comes in a 3-pack, and this one says Hello Sunshine, Summer Chillin', and Eat, Beach, Sleep, Repeat. Sign me up for that. So there's those. We also have to send some more stuff in the swap, which I will do a video on the outgoing swap once I have it all together and everything. And then I got one more thing from HSN. I got these beautiful flowers that also cut and emboss at the same time. And I will show you the samples. I love that Anna Griffin always has samples. It's like inspiration samples so that you can, you know, get some inspo. So here's what they look like. You can see the different flowers that they cut and how they also emboss as they're cutting, which is so nice to give like your flower some character. So there's those, and let's see what else. I also ordered from Buttons Galore is the name of it. I always see Jen. She always makes the cutest projects. I'm just going through my bag, you guys, to see what else I'm gonna show you. She always does the cutest projects with buttons. So I decided to go on this website to see like what they had. And of course I didn't order like anything that I've ever seen on our channel. I got stuck on like Halloween and bee stuff because like that's where my mind is right now. So I'm gonna have to go back there and order some basics soon. But I came across these super cute ones for like Halloween and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have these. So this one's called Witch's Kitchen. So you can see like it's got the cookies and the caramel apple and the witch's hat and everything. So cute. Then I got this one. This one's called Halloween Nights. It says trick or treat, boo. It's got the little pumpkins. I love that candy, that Halloween lollipop. Then I got this one, which is kind of some repeats of a previous haul that I showed you, but that's okay. So this one's called Graveyard, and it's got the cat and the tombstone and the owl and the spooky tree. So that's fun. And then I got this. This one, excuse me, this one's called Happy Halloween, and I just love the haunted house on that one. And, you know, just as a reminder, you guys, you can snip off the back of these. You don't have to use them as buttons. You can use them as cabochons, which is probably what I'm going to do with them. And then there's this one. Look at the little cauldron. Look at that creepy skull face. The eyes. And then I had to get a bee one because I'm all into bees right now. You guys are probably sick of me talking about bees. So here's the bees with the beehives. I thought they were so cute. I don't know if I'm gonna use those on my project or like gift them or maybe like break them up and share them. I don't know what I'm gonna do. And then I also got this from Buttons Galore, and this is called Doodads, and it's called Halloween Party. And I thought this was so pretty. This would be so pretty for like a shaker mix. And then they sent me a free gift. Where is it? Oh, they sent me a free gift with my order. These are beadlets, and they're little itty bitty teeny tiny little beads. So I figured those could go good in a shaker mix. I remember a long time ago, like the thing to do, like the crafty thing to do, was to take double-sided tape and like wrap a pen in it, and then, or like wrap different things in it, and then you would take these and you would mix them with like different little teeny tiny things like seed beads and just different things, and then you would dip your piece in it and it would just be covered with these and whatever else. It would just make it really pretty. So when I saw these, they like totally took me back in time. So anyway, I got those cute little beadlets, and that was a free gift. And I think that's everything that I'm going to show you in this haul. I will do a separate haul and show you some fun Halloween-y things I got from Michael's, and I might also throw Joann's in there if there's enough time. So anyway, guys, just wanted to share some fun stuff with you. I hope everybody's doing well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.